Okay, Ann and I are out on Long Lake. It's about 45 Long Lakes in Michigan, I think. Say hi, Ann.
Hi, guys.
Okay, what we're doing is we're in a paddle boat. Right now, Ann's paddle boating it. I was kind of steering the rudder. But that's what we're doing. We aren't going to get too far out of here. See my feet? I'm helping. I'm helping. I actually need to put the little flotation device behind me so that I could reach the pedals better. Isn't it pretty? Very, very, very pretty. Close up. Oops. Back up. Over there, well, you can't see it. There's a beach area. It's just very nice. We've had wonderful weather. We went to the casino. Ann won again.
Tell them how much I won.
Ann won $80-some. I won't tell you. I lost. I lost less than that, though. So we're really even as a total.